Never text, never email, always call, okay? That is the best advice I could ever give a real estate agent. If another agent or a customer, a buyer, a seller, an investor text you, always call them back. If they email you, always call them back, and never email or text about anything like a negotiation or anything other than delivering a document. You could deliver a document. So I hear so many stories about real estate agents getting fired from an office they're with, or losing a listing or something like that because of something dumb that they said in a text, or it was taken the wrong way, there was a misunderstanding. So the best advice I could ever give you is always pick up the phone and call. And when potential coaching students text me, or they call me, or instead of calling me, or they email me instead of calling me, it makes me worry a little bit about them. People are friendlier on the phone, it sounds friendlier, it's just a better way to go. So if any of this makes sense to you, by the way, and you're earning less selling real estate than you wish you were, and you're open to the idea of having some help with that, we're here to help you at Fearless Agent. So go to fearlessagent.com today and watch all of the videos, do our free webinar test drive, and you can call me anytime. Call me, don't email me, don't text me, and I will help you become a fearless agent. Thanks.